You can't join. Let's see. Huh. Weird. There you are. Hey, man.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. Hey, my connection may be pretty bad today because the Wi-Fi here in the hotel this week has been pretty bad. But we'll make it work. Okay. Let me get my headphones on. Hold on a second.
Okay.
I guess it's only the two of us today, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully this will go well.
That was weird. Like I got your I didn't get an invite. I just got like a link to like see you broadcast on YouTube and then but luckily I was on Google Hangouts and it came through there.
Okay. That's weird. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Perfect. So I had already kind of started the quiz. I don't know if you had a chance to look at it.
Yeah, I've started it too.
Let me see. I went up to number 8. So
I've
let's
gotten
start with the question number. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I've gotten to number 6.
Okay. All right. So number 1, the find the margin of error for a 90% confidence. I had 1.924. Is that what you got?
For number 3?
Number 3, yeah.
No, I didn't. I got 16.45.
16.45. Wow, that's very different. So to find the margin of error, it's that formula m equals z times standard deviation over square root of the population, right?
I thought Yeah, no, well, I thought it was just z times the standard deviation over the square root.
Right. Wasn't it what I said?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I thought that's what I said. So it was z times the standard deviation over the square root of the population,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Example. Let me see let me try this again then. Maybe I didn't plug in the values correctly.
I got.
So
Let me see if I can share my screen. You do that.
but let me share mine. I can share mine and
Okay.
you can see what I'm. It's going to look very small, my screen. Sorry about that. So this would be, where's the applet? So this is for the 90% confidence. So it's 90% confidence is 1.645. Get the z-score.
Yep.
So this would be 1.645 times times the standard deviation is 50.
Yep.
Divided by square root of 25. Right?
Yes.
Oh, 16.45. How did I get this? Holy cow. Yeah, you're right. I don't know how I got that. Okay. All right.
I
Question
did
number.
mine in Excel, so I was like, maybe I didn't do something right in there.
No, it seemed, well, the calculation seems right now, but I don't know, where did I got this? Let me see if I've got. I did this in my other calculator that is not graphical like this, and I may have messed up something. So, okay, cool. All right, the next one, number 4. So the sample mean, I selected number 2. Sample mean is the point estimator for the mean.
See, I wasn't sure if it was 2 or 3.
Mean is a point estimator for the, let me see. They use a statistic. The statistics is a point estimator for a parameter. And
Okay.
if we look at this thing, where is it? I think it's here. So sample statistic. So the sample statistic is a point estimator for the mean in this table.
Oh, okay, I got you.
It says here the statistics above are called point estimators because they are just one number, one point in the number line that is used to estimate a parameter. I think it would be number 2.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I knew it was either 2 or 3. I just didn't know which one it was.
Okay. So number 5, what did you get?
526.
Okay, yeah, same thing I did. Question number 6. I got 27.685.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay. Question number 7, 498.315.
I haven't. I've only gotten to question 6, so I haven't done 7 yet.
So let me see. So the calculation here, the error, the margin of error was it's for a 95% level of confidence, the confidence interval. So it turned out to be 27,685. And then using the formula, it would be 526 minus 27.685. That would be the lower limit. And no, this one, number 7. And the upper limit would be the 526 plus the margin of error, which would be 554.685. Well, it's not 54, sorry, it's 53. My bad. 553.685. Okay.
So wait, what were they again?
So the lower limit, it's 598.315.
598.5. Okay.
And the upper limit is 553.685. This doesn't sound right. Hold on a second. Doesn't sound right. So 526. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, it's right. Minus 85. That's correct. How did I get this wrong?
Because wouldn't the lower number be a lower number?
Yeah, I got it wrong. It's 526, not 62, 26. Sorry about that. Fat fingers.
What was it again?
6. So the lower limit is 498.315.
498.315.
And the upper limit is 553.685.
Okay.
Okay. So question 9. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? Increase the sample size. The width would decrease, right? Because it's in the denominator. I was actually just reading about that. If n is increased, the fraction would decrease, which would lead to a smaller margin of error. The sample size is increased. If the sample size is increased, the width of the confidence interval will decrease. So it's number 3.
Seems pretty word I'm looking for. Self-explanatory, like it kind of makes sense.
Yeah, it is. So question number 10, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval? Would lead to a wider confidence interval. So the width would increase.
Increase, yeah.
All right, 11. So Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. So this is 400. How am I? They want a 95% confidence level, confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Oh, that's that other formula. So that's the sample size. The z-score, which would be 196 since it's 95%. Oops. The standard deviation, which is 400 over the 50 hours margin of error to the square. Right? So that would be 190. Oh, sorry. My calculator here is not cooperating right now. So 1.96 times 400 divided by, and all this squared. So that would be 245.86. Do you agree with that?
245.
Well, that would be 246 actually, because
Yep, that's what I got.
It's 246 because you always have to round up. Right?
Yeah.
I think the formula is right, right?
Yeah. That's what I got too.
Perfect. Okay, so next, the mean salary of actuaries is 100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set a hypothesis test for level of significance alpha. I can't remember this. I went through this week, but last week, but I didn't do the whole thing. Do you remember the calculations? This is all the stuff from last week, I think.
Yeah, we can go back here. Check. This week is a lot easier than last week.
It is, yeah. There was a lot of stuff to do last week.
Yeah. The lower limit is the upper limit. So do we even need that information to do it? Because it's just asking for what the lower limit is.
Is that what it's answer? What is the lower limit? Oh, I didn't read the question.
So
I guess we don't.
Yeah, it might just be they're just. I don't know why we would need that information.
Yeah, I guess we don't. But it doesn't say anything about the margin of 95% confidence. Okay, so it would be the same thing as this. So it would be it's z minus, so 1.96 minus what's the standard deviation? It's 36, 30 divided by 36 women, right? 36. That can't be right. Can we have a negative lower limit?
I don't know. I don't think so.
The mean salary of actuaries is 100,000. Standard deviation is mean salary. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I did this wrong. Of course I did this wrong. This is 100,000. 100,000 minus 1.96.
Oh.
I'm doing this wrong. That's the formula. So 88,000.001.534. Is that right? Is that what you got?
I got something that was totally terrible. It's not
Yes,
my
what?
calculations aren't right.
Oh, it's the mean or the sample mean. I see. You collect the simple. Okay, this is not right. So the sample mean is 111,000. So this I need to change this. Hold on. So this would be that's the sample mean. So it's the sample mean minus 1.96 times standard deviation over the square root of n. Standard deviation is right, 36,730.
I know.
And the population is 30. So it's 99,000. That's the lower limit. So the upper limit would be,
Yep, that's what I got too.
the upper limit would be plus, would be 122,000. 122,998,467. Let me send a text message to my wife here. Hold on. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last one. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are it's all of the above. I think it's all of the above.
Oh, yeah, it is all the above because O has to be known.
Yeah,
Whatever.
it has to be normally distributed,
Yeah.
and I guess the other one, I think it's right too. All right, I think that was the last one. I'm going to submit and see if everything is fine. If not, we'll go from there. Yep, it's all right. All good.
I don't know why it gave us all that extra information in that one problem.
That threw me off.
Yeah, it threw me off too. I was like, wait a minute, but it's not asking for any of that.
Exactly.
But probably tomorrow it will.
Probably. Exactly. There you go. All right. Can you meet tomorrow at 8:30 as well, or is it
Yes.
late for you? Oh, yeah.
No, that's perfect.
Okay. Perfect. All right, Mark. You have a good one. Do you have any questions at all, or?
No, I'm good.
All right. We'll
Good.
see you tomorrow then.
All right. Bye.
Take care, man.